Exercise. Rewire your hardware. Before moving on to the next section, try to do the following exercise with any stopwatch at reach. This is a table with a series of numbers. Let's see if you can memorize the underlined numbers in bold in less than 60 seconds. Follow these guidelines. First, count only the numbers in bold. Then, read all the numbers in the table either horizontally or vertically. Now, something to ask yourself. By counting only the numbers in bold first, does reading all the numbers, horizontally or vertically, help you remember the bold numbers better? Did the bold numbers pop out more, not necessarily because they're bold, but because you've seen them before? Is it like trying to recall something you can't quite put your finger on, but once you do, it becomes difficult to forget afterward, like a process of slight familiarity followed by indirect reinforcement? The aim of this exercise is to show you how a certain methodology can indirectly but automatically help you register, reinforce, and retain information better. Hence, a simple intended action of reading all the numbers horizontally or vertically has an added unintended effect of reinforcing the bold numbers in your mind. How's that for mind hacking without you even noticing? By training your mind, you can come up with creative loopholes to hack your own mind to get things done easier and simplify your life. Now, let's move on for more insights on mental enhancing methods.